Now question number 9. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. And the question second is how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in the making of the tank. So what is given that? Given that diameter of the steel tank. Here diameter of cylindrical petrol storage tank, that is 4.2 meter. So radius equal to 2.1 meter, 2r, okay, and height of it equal to 4.5 meter. These two things are given in the question. Now we have to calculate. Now lateral, which is called curved surface area, curved surface area of cylindrical tank equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 pi equal to 22 by 7 and R equal to 2.1, height equal to 4.5. 44 into 0.3 into 4.5. So this is part for the rough solution. Five nine 40 by 100, 59.40 meter square. This is the curved surface area of a cylindrical tank. And solution of the first question. Here second question is how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted. That is 1/12 part of the steel जो हम लोग यूज किए थे वो वेस्ट हो गया. So now we have to calculate remaining part of the steel that is not wasted. Since 1/12 part of, I think you guys can easily say and see that steel was wasted. So remaining part of steel was used equal to as we know whole thing is considered one. So here 1/12 part is 1/12 part is subtracted from 1 and the remaining we have 11/12 part. Now Now we have to calculate total area of the cylindrical tank, because when we use steel, because here the question is asked how much steel was actually used. When anything we consider by steeling and make for the any tank, total surface area of the cylindrical tank is used to cover it. Okay, so first we need to calculate total surface area of the cylindrical. So what is the formula of total surface area of a cylindrical? Here I am writing now. You can say, you can see that total surface area of cylindrical tank equal to 2 pi r plus h. This is the original formula of the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. Okay, and we know all things about radius and height. Now putting all these value, what is the radius? 2.1, 2.1, height 4.5. This is given above question. Okay, this part is rough solution. Okay, fine, that is 87.12 meter square. This is the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. Now we need to calculate area of the steel which was used. X is the original area of the steel, and 11 by 12 part is the that steel which is not wasted, because we know already 1 by 12 part of the steel was wasted. So remaining 11 by 12 part of the steel is not wasted. This is the equal to total surface area of the cylindrical tank. I am dividing this part by 11. 11 7 ja 77, carry 1 0, and 11 9 ja 99, carry 2, 11 2 ja 22. 792 into 12 by 100. 792 95 to 4 by 100, that is 95.24 meter square. This is the final answer. I think you guys like my videos, so subscribe me and stay tuned with me.